Guava leaves are as great as the fruit, which is credited for being a powerhouse of nutrients and is widely popular too. Just like the fruit, the leaves too contain vitamin B and C, which help boost collagen activity required for hair growth. The vitamin C content improves collagen activity, aiding in hair growth, and the lycopene content gives protection from sun's UV rays. Therefore, it's a good hair growth solution without burning your pocket. How to use guava leaves. While most of us are unaware of the health benefits of guava leaves, it has been a traditional medicine for centuries in Mexico and parts of South America. Including guava leaves in your regular hair care regime can help you see substantial hair growth. Besides, it's 100% natural, which means that you needn't worry about any harmful reaction. You can use guava leaves to make a cup of tea and drink it regularly, or make a lotion to apply it on your hair and scalp. Follow these steps to make your very own guava leaf hair care solution that will battle hair fall and promote hair growth. All you require is a handful of guava leaves, 1 liter of water, and a pot for boiling the ingredients. Begin by boiling guava leaves in water for 20 minutes, strain the concoction and let it cool down to the room temperature. You must ensure that your hair is product-free, so it might be best to use this solution after showering. Once your hair is almost dry, section it and start applying the guava leaf solution. Massage the solution into your scalp for at least 10 minutes and ensure that it's well spread. Massaging improves blood pressure, which helps the follicles receive more nutrition. From there, pay extra attention to the roots and tips while you apply the solution. You can leave this solution in for up to 2 hours. Optionally, you can wrap your hair with a towel and sleep with it. Finally, rinse your hair with lukewarm water, and not hot water, as it dries out your hair and scalp. If you are facing a hair fall problem, use this guava leaf solution thrice a week. If you are using it to speed up hair growth and keep your hair shiny, use it twice a week. Apart from this amazing remedy, eating guava supplies a number of vitamins and minerals to the body, and the unique constituent of this fruit also promotes better absorption of nutrients from the food, which helps in treating hair and scalp problems. If you like this content, and you'd like to continue to grow with us, please take a moment and like and subscribe. Thank you.